Welcome to Marine Tech Hub. Today I'll be explaining you about HFO transfer pump auto stop not working. So in this picture you can see we have the different tanks. So we have the HFO transfer pump here. We normally start the transfer pump keeping the mode auto, and the pump starts. Once the pump starts, it fills up the settling tank. This is the HFO settling tank and this is the service tank. So normally we fill the settling tank 2 times in a day. So when the level comes to 34 cubic, the pump should stop. So what happened was, the pump did not stop and it reached to the next level, that is the high level, 34 cubics. So we get an alarm here, then we stop the pump, then we check why the pump did not stop at 34 cubics. So if you see the next diagram, you can see here, this is the float, magnetic float type. So we have to check the float, why the signal is not going to the pump to stop it. So we need to open it to check it. So we made sure that the oil is below this level. Then we opened all the 4 bolts and removed the electrical connection to check whether the switch is working. We opened the 4 bolts, removed the connection, then removed the float. You can see here the float condition, and you can see a lot of sludge here. So a lot of sludge was here. So the sludge will actually cut the flux. That means the flux will not pass through and activate the magnetic switch on the other side. So the float, you can check the float, clean the float and check whether there is any hole. This is one thing. Then second thing, when we operated it in place, when it was inside, it was not working. So we cleaned it. You can see the sludge here. This sludge will normally not allow the magnetic flux to activate the switch on the other side. If you can see the sludge here, this sludge, why it has come, because it is a HFO settling tank. So this sludge can accumulate here. So this float need to be cleaned at least in 3 months one time if you have such kind of a problem. We removed the float here. You can see the sludge. We try to cleaning the sludge from here. This is the float. The float, you can check if there is any hole by putting it in water. Once you clean it, then you can see the condition here. Then you can check whether the magnetic switch is working by using a multimeter. So the sludge accumulation was the problem here. Sometimes what happens is, this is the switch here, which is here. I have shown one of the videos. Similar problem happened in the incinerator. So here it happened for the settling tank, HFO settling tank. So sometimes what happens is, the switch can also be defective. So you can always exchange with the switch if switch is defective. So once you make sure that it is working alright, by lifting the float, keep the multimeter to check it, or in place if you want to check before removing, you can press this knob, so it should work. So if this is one method we normally do while testing the float once in a month, all the floats. So we are changing the switch here also, the new one, because it's a long time this switch has been used. So the major cause was the sludge. So if you have any doubt regarding this, you can always message me. Thank you very much.